G'day guys, and welcome to Garten of Banban. Came out ages ago, I'm aware of that. I'm late again to this game. I'm gonna be late to a lot of games. I haven't played this game myself before. I'm aware that there's a lot of controversy behind this series for not being very good quality, kind of quantity over quality, but personally, I don't really care if the game's terrible. You know, we'll see. It, for all I know, it might actually not be that bad. So let's get started. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a dedicated matter. Click the clock to advance time. Bet. Oh. Oh. It's dark. It's dark. Oh. 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 What the hell? Hello? Okay. Hello? E. Okay. Wait, oh my god. Hold on everybody, my settings are not very good. That's better. Oh shit. Okay. Where am I? Hello? Oh, keycard. It's blue. Ah. E. What the fuck? Is this like a messed up bike or something? What is this? What the heck? What? You know what? Oh. Terrible handwriting. Dear Mummy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Sad face. Me, Monster Claire. Aww. Okay, what's this? Oh, I have a remote. Interesting. Oh, right. That would make sense. What is this? What are you? Nothing. Hello? Can I jump? Oh, I can jump! Yay! Alright. Oh. Thank you. Ah! Nice. Oh! Hello? What the what? This motherfucker just phased through me! Okay. What do you mean? What am I? Oh! Ah. I'm assuming you have to hit these. Go, little friend. Okay. Come over here. Nice. Oh, yay.
Hello there.
What the f- Kill it! Kill it! Get it! Get it! Bruh. Come here. Come here. There we go. Well, that's dark. Alright. What? I can't go in there. What's in here? Oh, I hate it. No. What the f- What the- What? Destruction! Break everything! Screw you! I don't like these chairs. Piss off! Oh my god. Hey-ya! Fuck the tables. Fuck you. Alright. Whoa! Okay. Oh my god. Alright, whoa, okay. Come here, little buddy. Oh. Hold on. Oh, right. I'm gonna come over here. Press this button. Oh. Oh. What? What? Did you not hit it hard enough? I don't get it. It took me another 20 seconds to figure out that the button wasn't able to be pressed yet, and I'm just an idiot. I don't get it. What's happening? Hit the button. What? Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Okay. So what's in here? What? The end is here. Okay. I'm confused. What am I meant to be doing right now? What's in here? Alright, well. E. Kill the bird! Get it! Kill it! Kill it! Why are you so slow? You ain't gotta kill shit. Alright. What do you want me to do? A peel a bird mission. Peel a bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 3 eggs. To get your prize. You eat your own children? Desperate times call for desperate measures, I guess. Alright. Oh, egg. Egg, 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 egg. Egg. Oh, it's a slide! What? What? You're telling me the slide's here and I can't go down it? Okay. It's ruined my day. This game has ruined my entire day. It's a weird looking tree. Okay, I'm stuck. Oh! What is that? Wait, what is that? Huh? What? What's this? Oh, what is it? What did it do? What has it done? Ah! Oh, you missed. It's okay. Let's try it. Oh! Alright. Nice. Oh, hey! Thank you. That is 3 eggs. Oh, 4 eggs. 5 eggs. E. 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 What the fuck is that? Ew, what the hell is that? Ugh. I don't want to touch that. You just vomited it out. That's gross. My bad. Ah. Come here. Okay. Hit it. Smack it. Smack it. Do it. Do it. Nice. Okay. A hammer. Distraction at 1. That's not what that piece of paper said. That is definitely not what that piece of paper said. Bambolina says, that kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Captain Fiddle says, ooga ooga booga booga ooga. Facts. Captain Fiddles be spitting facts. Alright. I'm assuming that the reason I have this hammer is for over here. Oh, I was right. I'm gonna be so real. Jump. Whee! Okay. Ah. Oh. Not a fan of that. Oh! It's so polite. Thank you. Can I? Yep, thank you. Alright, let's go. Oops. What if I just jump off? I could do it if I wanted to. Yeah. Okay. What was my color? Oh. Who the fuck are you? I'm gonna call you Mr. Wiggles. You were red. You were pink? Yeah. Maybe I should have looked around more first. Oh well. He was in the what's it called? He was in the beginning thing. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Like, they, what's it called? The photo for the game. This guy was green. Oh, Pila bird. Were you pink, or is there a different color pink? Ah, you must be pink. Which means you're white. Okay, which means... And you were blue. Oh no, you were purple! You're purple. Why is there no purple? That's not purple, that's blue. Okay, and then you must be orange, Mr. Wiggles. Nice.
Hello there.
Okay. Hold on. I want to play in the hole with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me go. See me, but go. I am scared because hole is luck. Ah! What are you? Oh, what the fuck? Oh no, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Go away. Leave me alone. Oh my god, no. Bye! Oh. It appears I have died. I mean, I did say I wanted to jump in there at one point. So, what am I meant to... Oh! There's a button! Okay. You're ugly as hell. I hope you're aware of that. I don't like you. Please come back. Oh my god. No, go away. It's gonna kill me. What? Why are you just standing there? I don't like it. No, go away, go away, go away! Oh. I'm gonna be so real. I don't know how I'm gonna finish this game if I keep panicking. What you're about to witness is going to be about 5 minutes of me dying continuously because I kept panicking. Why are you veiny? Why do you look like that? That's gross, bruh. You're gross. I don't like you. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Alright. Let's go. Come on. Press the button, please, please. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Please, please, please. Bruh! Please, 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 please. I'm begging you. Oh, thank god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 E. Oh, hey, H. That was stressful. I don't like that. I don't like that bird. It can fuck off. It's so creepy. Oh my god, it's horrible. Oh god. Oh, thank god. Oh my god, birdie, go away. Oh! I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me, but go. I am scared. Ah! You know what? You guys can just pull. This game is fucking mocking me. I want to live for once in my life. I really hate this bird, bro. Like, genuinely. Oh god. Oh my god. No! This is gonna end up being an hour-long video just because I can't keep myself alive.
3 hours later.
Oh. What? Oh my god, I did it! Yes! Sorry. That was really annoying. I'm gonna be so real. That took way too long. Oh, so now it works. Wait, no, I already used this. Okay. I don't have that. Oh, I have this. What's in here? Oh, paper. Boarding pass. Adam Uthman, Montreal to Madrid. Seat D2. 23rd of October 2016. Class E. What happens if I... Hold on. This better not give me a virus. Congratulations, you made it to the Jumbo Josh Lounge. This is where Jumbo Josh and his siblings come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned into mush, but you seem to have put a lot of effort into reaching this place. Hereby, you may stay as long as you like. Put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. Hold on, look. I'll take a screenshot and I will add this to the video so you guys can see. Anyway, 323. Alright. Get your ass out of the way. What did that do? What did that do? Whee! Alright, to make this usable, is that what it was? Alright. Alright, little buddy. I'm gonna be Greg. Alright, Greg. Hit it. Oh. Oh, it worked. Alright. So, what did that do, exactly? Ah! Interesting. Greg, come here. Yeah. Actually, Greg, go in there. Investigate. Or not. Investigate! Nope. Okay. Something coming, chasing me down. Right. Okay. Let me in! What? Why can't I? Oh, now I can. Whee! Alright, Greg. 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 Greg, you're gonna get left behind. Greg. Wait, no, Greg! No! Wait! No! Greg! No! No! My son, no! Oh my god. What? 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 Huh? What? Oh my god, what the fuck? Ew, it's baby. Ew. Oh. Oh, you're rusty, buddy. Oh. Well, that didn't sound good. Oh. Okay, well, that is it. Alright. Not a bad game, to be honest. I'm gonna be real, it kind of reminds me of Puppy Playtime a little bit. Not to say that's a bad thing. But, like, there was no voice acting or anything in it, which is fine. Not to say that a horror game needs that, it doesn't. But, no, it was actually kind of cool. I didn't like how many times it took me to survive that fucking bird. But that's probably just a skill issue on my end, I'm gonna be so real. I'm sure that other YouTubers or other people have managed to do that in their first run. I'm just a dumbass. Oh, so look at Mr. Squiggles. See? Captain, whatever the hell his name is, he's purple! He's not blue! That's my main takeaway from this. Get your colors right. He's purple, not blue. Other than that, though, honestly, not that bad of a game. Yeah, it wasn't bad. I did actually like Opila Bird's design because it was really creepy. Not a fan of, like, it was, well, not a fan as in, like, it made me uncomfortable, but it was really, the other thing is it kind of just stopped and stared at me for a while, which I know was probably just so to give me, like, time to run away. Clearly not enough time because I kept dying anyway. But, like, that was kind of interesting as well, where it just kind of stopped and just stared. But yeah, not a bad game. Not bad. Short, which is fine. I've been releasing videos that are insanely long, so it's about time I have a shorter video. But yeah, not that bad. Not too bad. And apparently there's a second one, so I will probably play that and any other ones that there are. So yeah. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.